This background right here is completely fake. Yes, the studio and everything you're seeing behind me does not really exist. I actually shot this video using a white wall as the background, but later on I felt like I didn't really like the background and I needed to change it. And thanks to AI, I was able to change my background and use the studio that you're seeing right here as the background for this video. And I decided to do a video right now to show you exactly how you can change your background for your YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, and social media videos in general. So this is for you in case you do not have a proper studio to use to shoot your videos and you're constantly looking for where to go or a nice background to use for your videos. You don't have to bother anymore. Just stay wherever it is you want to stay. Just make sure it's a plain background, a wall preferably, outside, inside. Try and get good light, even if it's natural light from the sun, and record your video. Then use these 3 steps I'm going to show you, and in less than 10 minutes you have beautiful backgrounds of your choice that look 100% realistic. Yes. So without much ado, I'm going to show you how to do them with 3 simple steps, 3 simple applications. Before I get into it, if you really appreciate this content, all you have to do is make sure you join the family by subscribing, and of course give this video a thumbs up. Now let me show you how you can change the backgrounds of your video and make them look professional and more attractive. So the first step will be to open your Chrome browser, search for Leonardo AI. Now this is the AI tool we're going to be using to generate the studio background picture that will be our background for our video. So once you click on Leonardo AI, click on the first link and it takes you to the home page. Now you're going to see what the AI does. Click on create an account and it will ask you whether you want to create with Google or Facebook. Please select create with Google and select your Google account. It takes you here and you see all the things that this AI does. It generates images, videos, and all of that. So for today we want to do images, so we're going to click on create new image. Once you click on create new image, it takes you to where you should put your prompt. Now the prompt is where you tell the AI the kind of image that you want. I'm going to type create a YouTube background that has good lighting, tech gadgets in the background, that looks like a studio and has very nice lighting and minimal decor. I'll also be typing out this prompt in the description below, so you can also copy it and paste it. You can also edit this prompt to suit whatever it is you want in your own background. So once you're done typing the prompt, you're going to click on generate. Leonardo AI gives you free 150 coins once you sign up, and these coins are renewed every 24 hours. You need about 8 coins to generate each image, right? If you need more coins, you can upgrade and pay for more coins. Now I'm going to click on generate AI and it's going to generate different kinds of pictures using the prompt that I gave it. You can see this beautiful backgrounds, all studio backgrounds with tech gadgets, good lighting, exactly the way I asked for it. So you can scroll through and choose the one that you want, save them to your gallery. Now I'm going to be saving them one after the other, and afterwards I'll decide on the one I want to use. I'm saving them to my photos one after the other. This AI is amazing. It helps you generate different kinds of pictures that you want. At this point, if you're enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. The next app we're going to use is Canva. Canva is another free tool that helps you design graphics and also do some videos too. So once you open Canva, all you have to do is click on the search box and search for YouTube thumbnail. You want to use the YouTube thumbnail sizing, right? So once you click on YouTube thumbnail, click on the first option that comes out and you are good to go. They're going to open you up to a plain empty design that has the size of YouTube thumbnail. This is what the design looks like. Now you're going to go down, click on the plus button and select camera roll. It goes to your gallery and shows you all the pictures in your camera roll. Then I select the one I want to use for my background. Now I'm going to drag it and adjust it so that it fits into this size and position of YouTube thumbnail. You drag it from the left, from the corners, and make sure it enters. You know the size that you want, you know the parts that you want to be inside your video. And I think this is just perfect. You can also add any extra thing you want to be on your background. For me, I want to add this YouTube play element. So I'll just go to elements, search for YouTube and pick anyone I like and put it somewhere in my background that is not distracting, but of course shows what I want to be seen. Right, try to make sure you don't put any text here, because when we get to Capcut we're going to blur it and your text will not be seen. Okay, so that is it, and it's looking great. The next app we're going to use is called Capcut. Capcut is a video editing app. So I've saved my design from Canva and I move over to Capcut. All I need to do is select new project and select that YouTube thumbnail design that I just did and add it up. Next thing, I'm going to click on the design and drag it to the size of my video. So if my video is 5 minutes long, I drag it till it gets to 5 minutes. The next thing now is to upload your video as an overlay. I'm going to click on overlay at the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to click on add overlay. Select the video that you want, that you've already recorded with a different background. And the next step now is to remove the background of this video. I'm going to go down to the bottom of my screen and scroll till I see cut out. You're going to see something that says cut out. Yeah, that's it right there. Click on it and click on remove background, and then you're going to wait till the remove background gets to 100%. Depending on the length and the size of your video, it will take some time. I think this took around 5 to 10 minutes for it to finish removing the background entirely, but I won't let this video get that long, so I'm going to cut out the entire process for you. But once it gets to 100%, the background will all be removed, and then the background we'll be using will be this studio background that we just imported. And here we go. It is still removing the background. At this point, if you're loving this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Now we are almost done with removing the background. Once we remove the background, we have just 2 steps to go and your video is ready. The background has been removed, and now this is our video just on top of the studio, looking like I stayed in the studio to record. Next thing you want to do is adjust it. Move yourself down so that we don't see the parts where your body cut and all of that. Move it down and adjust it to any position that you want. Now next thing we're going to do is to blur the background. We're going to click on effects, video effects, and then search for blur. Select the first option that you see there and it blurs. You can also tap on adjust to adjust the blur rate, whether you want it to be very blurry or a little bit blurry. Once you're done, you're going to come back to your video and drag this blur effect to the end so that it blurs every single part of the video, not some parts of the video. Now you can see that this looks so realistic. Don't forget to blur your video. All you have to do is click on effects, video effects, search for blur, and select the first option that you see. Now our video is ready. We can now add some filters. You can select any filter that you like, adjust the filter so your video just pops and looks beautiful. You can go back to the video and also click on adjust the brightness, adjust the lightning, adjust the saturation, adjust the contrast, sharpen your video so it looks extremely beautiful and of course professional. And there you have it. Your video is looking beautiful and real, so you don't have to bother yourself about going to a studio to record your video when you can do this. Next thing you do is to export your video, save it, and you are good to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, please help your friends that do not have studios but want to record nice videos, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.